where rain has been coming in, that's actually like a solid stream. So I would say those are dirt lines, and that's where straight clean water has been coming in. So do you drive a 13th generation F-150 2015 through 2020 King Ranch Lariat FX4 Raptor, and you've got mold in your back seat right here, just like that? I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's a little tiny panel back here, easy to get to. You can take care of this at home. First things first, you want to take your seat, clean it forward. Hopefully that doesn't mess with the camera. Just get that done. Expose this. These panels are best to try to get your fingers behind, but give it a wiggle and they should come free from wherever it is they're snapped in at. Best to have a pry tool like that. Gets behind there, these Christmas trees as I call them, it's able to pull them without really damaging them, and they should go right back in so you don't have to replace them. This road hazard kit out of the way. Just give me a little more room. Oh yeah, check that out. That is straight moldy. Ugh. Definitely got to get this taken care of. So with the kit pulled out of the way, this popped out. Should be able to get this out enough. It's kind of flexible, so there we go. There's the vent. See it? That right there. That little tab right there. And on that side. So we're going to adjust them. I'm going to get the pry tool and try to pull those up just to give it a little more strength and rigidity. Get you guys in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to take the pick tool here. I'm going to pry underneath it and pull it up, kind of exaggerated, that way it should hold in place. Same on this side. A lot better. You can even see the drip marks underneath it where rain has been coming in. That's actually like a solid stream. So I would say those are dirt lines, and that's where straight clean water has been coming in. So that's a lot of mold. You definitely don't want that inside your truck. But let's get this reassembled. To get this tab tab for your car seats. That put back in. Looks like it's lining back up correctly. And put the Christmas tree back in. Somebody had a treat before. Here in a few weeks, take something back there, a cleaner, and try to clean that up just to make sure that the mold has stopped. But I'm pretty sure that's gonna be it. I'm trying to show you this part too a little bit better. So up and down here, there's a tab here, 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 and there's one at the top. So just take your time, kind of make sure they're all lined up, and then gently push them back in the same way that they came out. Kind of wiggle, and once they feel like they're in place, you can give them a pop, and they should go back in. Feels good. All right, go. Oh, can't forget, handy dandy roadside assistance. Another bit. Old deafener for it. Alright guys, we're going to run a vacuum over this tomorrow and get that cleaned up. I'm also going to get a box of baking soda in here to kind of help clean up some of the leftover mildew and smell and just make sure that it dries and aerates the truck a little bit better. We're going to have rain here in a couple days, so I'll be able to come back and check it after I've cleaned it up to see if it's happening again. Hopefully that helps you guys. I'm 95% sure if you're having any mildew or mold on your carpet, that's going to be your problem, so hopefully this helps you. If not, it's probably your middle window section or your third brake light. It's gonna be one of these three things. Like, there's just no other way moisture can really get inside here, or you have an issue with your window. That's just going down the pipeline though, I doubt it. But hopefully this helps you guys. If not, make sure to check out one of these videos here if you need more help with your truck.